Sometimes I find these people and they just do one or two of the signs. So it's not as easy to convince people that they're in on it too. Here is a gay actor, Ben Daniels. He's doing the vow of silence here. Huge red flag, right? In the world's eyes, this means nothing. He's just posing for the camera. He's doing the devil horns here. He posts about yoga. Birds of a feather flock together. He's with Helena Bonham Carter, who does the vow of silence as well, and does the vow of silence there too, and blocks one of their eyes, darkens one of their eyes, one eye symbolism, using some perfume to block one of their eyes. They are doing the Osiris Risen Freemason pose. My favorite pose, the Uttara Bodhi Mudra. They are showing us that they have extreme enlightenment, but it is the false enlightenment of Lucifer. And they perform on the Freemason checkerboard. God bless you, everyone.